Mushrooms are fascinating organisms belonging to the fungi kingdom. They are known for their diverse shapes, sizes, and culinary uses, and they play essential roles in nature. Here is a comprehensive description of mushrooms, covering various aspects of their biology, types, uses, and more. 1. Biology and structure. Fungal nature. Mushrooms belong to the fungi kingdom, distinct from plants and animals. They lack chlorophyll and cannot perform photosynthesis. Fruiting body. The visible part of a mushroom is called the fruiting body, which contains the reproductive structures. It typically consists of a stem and a cap. 2. Types of mushrooms. Edible mushrooms. These include well-known varieties like button mushrooms, shiitake, portobello, and oyster mushrooms. Wild mushrooms. Many mushroom species grow in the wild, but not all are safe to eat. Some wild mushrooms are poisonous and can be lethal if consumed. Medicinal mushrooms. Certain mushrooms, like reishi and chaga, are valued for their potential health benefits and are used in traditional medicine. Psychedelic mushrooms. Psychedelic or hallucinogenic mushrooms, such as psilocybe cubensis, contain psychoactive compounds like psilocybin and psilocin. 3. Habitat and growth. Mushrooms can grow in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, woodlands, and even urban areas. They typically emerge from underground mycelium, which is the vegetative part of the fungus. The mycelium consists of a network of thread-like structures called hyphae. 4. Reproduction. Mushrooms reproduce through spores, which are produced in the gills or pores found under the cap. When mature, mushrooms release spores into the air, and these spores can potentially lead to new mushroom growth if they land in a suitable environment. 5. Culinary uses. Edible mushrooms are valued for their rich flavors and versatility in cooking. They are used in various dishes, from soups and stir-fries to salads and pasta. Different mushroom types offer unique flavors and textures, making them popular choices in global cuisines. 6. Medicinal uses. Certain mushrooms are used in traditional medicine systems, particularly in Asian cultures. They are believed to have various health benefits, such as immune system support, anti-inflammatory properties, and potential anti-cancer effects. 7. Toxic and poisonous mushrooms. While many mushrooms are safe to eat, some are highly toxic and can cause severe illness or death if ingested. It's crucial to have expert knowledge before foraging for wild mushrooms. Poisonous mushrooms often resemble edible varieties, making identification a critical skill for mushroom enthusiasts. 8. Environmental roles. Mushrooms are important decomposers in ecosystems. They break down organic matter, such as dead trees and leaves, and return nutrients to the soil. Mycorrhizal mushrooms form symbiotic relationships with the roots of plants, aiding in nutrient absorption and promoting plant health. 9. Cultural significance. Mushrooms have cultural significance in various societies. They are featured in art, folklore, and religious rituals in many parts of the world. Some cultures have traditional knowledge of using mushrooms for spiritual and medicinal purposes. In conclusion, mushrooms are a diverse and intriguing group of organisms with a wide range of uses, from culinary delights to medicinal applications. However, it's essential to approach mushrooms with caution, especially when foraging in the wild, as incorrect identification can lead to serious health risks. Always consult experts or field guides when in doubt about a mushroom's edibility.